Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 1995 40-horse Evinrude long shaft remote. This one's coming in on trade. Let's see here. It'll come with a good use control box. I can either do a conceal mount side mount or a standard side mount. Depends whether your key's in the dash or in the control box. This one, lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. I do not guarantee that to be the correct prop for your boat. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the carburetor fuel system has been cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Excuse me. This is going to be a little bit louder. We're running it out of the tank. Got water pumping out. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.